How to log in into Harrow Council Tax Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of How to Log In, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Harrow Council Tax Account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Harrow Council Tax Login and search for it. After searching, you will see different links and websites on your screen. From the different websites and links, click on the first website that says MyHarrow Account. Now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now here you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on I have forgotten my password option below the sign in. Enter all of your details and simply click on sign in. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your Harrow Council Tax account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.